All right, what's up guys? Today we are going to be doing a Negroni variation that was actually a mistake when it was made. All right, it's called the Negroni Sbagliato. So let's get stirring. All right, so first thing we're gonna need is 30 ml of Sweet Vermouth, then 30 ml Campari. We're gonna give that a stir. We're gonna whip out a rocks glass with a rock in it, and we're gonna pour that in there. And then we are going to top it up with a little bit of Prosecco, and then garnish it with an orange peel. And that's all it is, guys. Very simple, 3 ingredients. It's actually pretty much the Milano Torino. You make a Milano Torino, put it into a rocks glass, and top it up with Prosecco. That is your drink. The Negroni Sbagliato, this used to be a drink that like almost no one has ever heard of, basically. Like, not a very popular cocktail by any means until, I think it was Emma Darcy, is that her name? Emma Darcy made it popular by saying it on TikTok. So then it had a gigantic revival, and I think people just like, they heard of it, they ordered it, they like it, now it's kind of popular again. As far as the drink is, like, it is pretty decent. Like, it's not bad. It's not my go-to. Like, by no means would I be at a bar ordering this, but if I had a hankering for like a fizzy Negroni variant, I wouldn't mind this. Like, it's actually pretty decent. The Prosecco in there adds that little bit of fizz, obviously, and then like this, I want to say, it has this like weird funk to it, like almost like a metallicness to it that is kind of enjoyable at sometimes. The creation of this was actually a mistake. Negroni Sbagliato actually means mistaken Negroni. The story goes that the bartender Mirko Stacchetto at Bar Basso in Milan in the 1960s was going to be making a Negroni, but he accidentally put Prosecco in instead of gin. I don't know how you mix those bottles up, but he did, and he served it, and apparently this became a cocktail out of that. I guess the customer just enjoyed it and someone else ordered it, or he kept making it, I don't know. But that's how it was made, and that's why it's called the Sbagliato. It's literally a mistake. As far as the drink goes though, it's like a fizzy, it's exactly what you would expect, okay? It's a Negroni with a little bit of fizz, and it's actually quite nice. It's a little bit refreshing. I only put in about 30 mils, so it's all equal parts for me. I know that other people and bartenders might put in quite a bit more just to like make it more of an Americano in a way, but it's entirely up to you, I guess. These are the traditional specs to go all equal parts. It is an enjoyable cocktail. Not my go-to, probably won't make it very often at all, but like, it is one that I wouldn't mind making again. But yeah, that's all that I have for you today, guys. Short and simple, like always. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like what I do on this channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna have new videos coming out every single week. If you have a cocktail you think I should be doing on this channel, let me know. I'd love to know what you guys are doing, what you think, what I should be drinking. All right, but until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.